Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my music theory tuition series. It's coming up to exam entry time. If you're looking to enter to take the ABRSM Grade 5 exam, I'd like to help you on your way. To date, there are 87 videos and more will be coming soon that are uploaded to my channel to help you in your studies. The link to the playlist will be in the cards and also in the description box. First of all, you must work your way through the ABRSM Music Theory and Practice workbook. And please do remember that this is a cumulative. And so grade 5 presumes that you've worked through all of the information from grades 1, 2, 3 and 4 in addition to this grade 5 music theory and practice workbook. However, I've worked through every single exercise with you. In my theory tuition videos, I explain how to understand everything you need to know for this exam step by step through every single exercise. On my website, I also provide free PDF information sheets with information to accompany every step along the way. If you visit sharonbill.com, you can download these PDFs in A4 or US letter. Each section of the PDF corresponds to a section in the workbook. For example, if you open your workbook to the first exercise, you're asked to understand irregular time signatures, and so I've referred to this as section A in the book. It's referred to as section A in all of the videos where I explain this topic and all of these exercises, and then the PDF document section A has all the information that you need to help you to understand this topic and come to the correct answers yourself. I then work through every single exercise with you, fully explaining each step along the way. From 2018 onwards, ABRSM have revised the exam syllabus, and I'll just show you which sections are effective. So if you turn to page 23, the subject of voices in score, where you're looking at short score and open score choral pieces, this no longer appears in the exam. However, if you have time, I do suggest that you have a little go at this topic. It's just really useful for general information and just musical knowledge generally. And I just work through one section of each on the videos just to give you a little taster, even though it no longer appears in the exam. And then if you continue on to page 33, the composing a melody no longer appears in this exam, so you won't be asked this in grade 5 for exam purposes. But again, if you have the opportunity, I would just have a little look at this, especially if you want to continue in music studies generally. And so I still give you a little tutorial on this, just to give you a quick taster, just having a quick glance at it. And also that information to help you will be in the PDF document. And then at the end of the book, to page 51, the performance directions are now presented to you in multiple choice formats. So remember as well that this is a cumulative, so it's all of the performance directions from grades 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are now together. You've got Italian, French and German, so there's quite a lot there. You still need to know this information or give it your best shot, but these will be presented to you in multiple choice format. And in the PDF document, I just give you some revision ideas and also a little chance to test yourself, a little quiz. And then I also, just for general information, give you some information on voice parts, should you be asked anything about that in the general questions, and also instruments as well. So just some general information there to help you, but these performance directions will be multiple choice format from 2018 onwards. So you can find that PDF document to help you there, but some of those sections won't be in the exam anymore. I've also written an exam technique guidebook where I give tips and hints on how to best prepare for your exam and also how to make the best use of your time on exam day. And to find out how to get that, you'll find the details on my website too. So again, that's at sharonbill.com. Past papers are an excellent revision resource, and I've worked through many of the previous year's past papers too. I'll put up a further video guiding you through that and showing what videos I've put up to help you there. The links to get you started in your studies will be in the cards and also in the description, or you can find everything you need to know through my website. So if you visit sharonbill.com, you can find it all there. I hope you enjoy your studies. I'm certainly enjoying working through it with you. If you can give me a like, that would be really fab. And please do subscribe to stay in touch. There's lots more in the pipeline. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.